Space Chester again. Welcome to Salford. Stagecoach 11517 there, just on Chapel Street. We've got Stagecoach 11263 going past. So I thought I'd do Salford because I always do Manchester and so does everybody else. So I thought we'd try Salford for a change. Got Metroline TH170 just coming up to the lights there. Go Northwest 3052, a Volvo with MCV body. Metroline TH185 going past on the other side of the road there. And Go Northwest 2012. Nice shot of that one. So I also thought I'd do trains as well as buses, so I'm just walking up Chapel Street to near Salford Crescent station to see if I can see some trains as well. And that was two lots of thinking, so I'm going to have a lie down afterwards. So first off, Go Northwest 2022 on the 36 to Bolton. 3302 on the V1 to Lee. Stagecoach 11828 on the 100 to Hollins Green. And Metroline WDS 304 in the other direction on the 50 to East Didsbury. Another one now, Go Northwest 3436 on the 8 to Bolton. It's buried in the traffic there, Go Northwest 2047, not in service. Another two across the road there, first up Go Northwest 2003. And back round for Stagecoach 11267. BYD Electric and Varo 400 City 2046 in the Go Northwest fleet. And 3026 right street deck. Correction, it's a Volvo. Volvo right Gemini 3. Another Go Northwest across the road, that one is 2020. Two number 8s now, Go Northwest 3472 on the front. And 3450 on the back. And they are street decks. Metroline next, WDS 255 street deck ultraliner, heading for Logistics North on the 38. Nice architecture, lousy bus shot really for Metroline TH141. Still in Magic Bus livery. We've got a Metroline Volvo next, MX58EBG, that is VW 661. Go Northwest 3053 there. Stagecoach 11858 buried in the traffic. I promised trains and there are trains. 323224. 323237. The Blackpool to Manchester Airport service. In shot now, Stagecoach 11519 at the front, 11835 heading for Warrington on the 100, and 11843 on the 67 to Caddy's Head. Nice way from the driver. The driver of that is watching, sorry about the slightly weird wave back, I've got a bit of paper in my hand with some train times on it. Next up, Go Northwest 3034 on the V1 to Lee. See, I got the train workings off real-time trains, but everyone's late when I've arrived in Manchester. There's been a points failure towards the airport, so those 323s going past, working one Yankee 53 to the airport, running about 20 odd minutes late. Go Northwest 2049 going past Stagecoach 11271. Go northwest 3043. That's the trains 150 143 and 150 130. That's the buses on the 52 East Didsbury Metroline WDS 292. Go northwest 3062. The 150s, by the way, working 2 Oscar 71 into Manchester Oxford Road. We've got a couple of 195s going past. So it was 195102, 195121 with 1 Charlie 73 for Windermere from Manchester Airport. That one running approximately 12 minutes late at the moment. Across the road on the V1, go northwest 3023. 3429 just at the stop there on the 8 to Bolton. Metroline WDS 252. There goes 3429, go northwest. Metroline ADE 555. Go northwest 2011, just pulling off the stop there. Metroline WDS 338 on the 50 to Salford Quays. 769 coming now for Southport, 769 458. (3478) for go northwest 11847 Stagecoach. Go northwest 3045. Stagecoach 11829. (2037) for go northwest. Back shot of that, I missed it going across. Go northwest 3485. Metroline TEH 144 at the stop. There goes TEH 144 MX62 GVE. Right, we've got another train. 331018 it appears to be. 016, sorry. Yeah, I can't get an ident on the rear 331 on there. We seem to have deviated quite a lot from the ones on real-time trains with the disruptions. That's obviously been swapped onto a diagram. National Express now heading for Blackpool on route 121 BV24ZHE. Selwyn's Travel Runcorn. Go northwest 3039 next up on the V2. (3301) also go northwest on the other side of the road there. BF63HDC. Another go northwest on the stand 2048 LG73FXW. Another go northwest 3038. So another Metroline TEH 146. Nearly missed it, 150 136 there. The 150 heading working 2 Bravo 81 heading for Blackburn. Another go northwest there. 2104. Another Metroline Volvo, right, Gemini across there, VW566. Go northwest 3036 there. So I'm going to have another couple of train shots because I promised you some train shots and we haven't had many with all the disruption. The trains that should have gone through haven't, but I'll wait and see a couple more and I'm going to knock it off. I scoped this out on Google Street View. It looks alright as a location, but actually we keep getting the bridge parapet and the trees and all sorts in on the railway and the fence on the buses, so it's not great, but I thought I'd try it, something different. Go northwest 2018 there on the 37 to Bolton. Metroline TEH 123, YN62 BZG coming up to the stop. 397008 there on 1 Mike 90 heading for Manchester Airport. Another 397 in the opposite direction. That is 397002. Working 1 Sierra 83 to Edinburgh. Go northwest 3472, just going past. There goes TEH 123. Go northwest 3456 behind it. WDS 284 for Metroline across there, and 3022 it looks like for Go northwest in front. Couple of 331s heading past. .028 on the rear. So 331027 on the front, and that was the late running 1 Yankee 54 from Manchester Airport. Running around 25 minutes behind schedule at the minute. So next up, just 5 minutes late, should be 2 India 25, the lead service from Wigan Walgate, which should be 158906 and 158868. And there we go, folks. So we get a sneaky shot in of a Metroline WDS 313 on the 52 East Didsbury with its extremely loud cooling fan. I knew that would happen. A couple of 150s going past there on the Headbolt Lane service. 150 142 and 150 121 working 2 kilo 63. 150 129 and 156 410 there. And that was 2 Juliet 23 heading for Rochdale. Pigeon photo bombing there. Stagecoach 11517 there on the 67 to Cadis Head. 2 Whiskey 26 for Southport next. 150 123 150 145 by the look of it. And that is 1 Yankee 55 for Manchester Airport, 331026 331031, and on that one I'm going to leave it. So it's not been the most successful, it's not the best of locations, it's not as good as it looked, but it's something different. So I hope you've enjoyed watching it as much as I've enjoyed filming it. Really, it's been nice to do something different. So I'm off back to wash the bird muck off my sleeve because it's all over this wall that I'm leaning on. But as always, thank you for watching, take care, I'll see you soon, bye for now.